In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop videos in Canva. To crop videos in Canva, launch open the Canva application or go to Canva website on your web browser. Once you do that, launch open your Canva design or start a new design that contains the video you want to crop. After selecting open the design or creating a design and adding a video onto it, go ahead and tap on your video layer on the screen. Now, you will be able to see several tools available at the bottom as soon as you tap on the design. Click the crop button at the bottom and then from the aspect ratio option, select the crop type that is available. After selecting one of the crop size and it suits your need, you can then tap on the done button and there you have successfully cropped your video. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.